There's no doubt that 2023 में जब हमारे पीएम मोदी जी यूएस स्टेट विजिट पर गए थे, तब उन्होंने लैब ग्रोन डायमंड्स को सिंगल हैंडेडली इंटरनेशनल रिकॉग्निशन दिलाई थी। उनका जिल बाइडेन को 7.5 कैरेट का लैब ग्रोन डायमंड गिफ्ट करना एक मास्टर स्ट्रोक की तरह देखा जा सकता है।
You can have a diamond as special as this, a 7.5 carat green diamond gifted to the US First Lady. So no less, remember, precious in its quality, but made with ethical practices.
So what are lab-grown diamonds? Are they real? Are they really manufactured in a laboratory? Or सबसे importantly, are lab-grown diamonds affordable as they claim? We will be answering all your questions and more. So stick with us till the end. Let's begin with the burning questions. What are lab-grown diamonds? Simply put, lab-grown diamonds are the diamonds that are created in a lab. इससे self-explanatory definition और कोई नहीं. And what's more, these diamonds have same physical, chemical and optical properties as mined diamonds. So the next question जो आप लोग हमसे अक्सर पूछते हैं कि lab-grown diamonds actually real diamonds हैं? Are they really manufactured in a laboratory? If they are, then what is the process of making these diamonds? The answer to all these questions is a resounding yes. Lab-grown diamonds 100% real diamonds हैं. In fact, अगर आप mined diamonds and LGDs को naked eye से देखेंगे, तो आपको कोई difference पता ही नहीं चलेगा, because they're exactly the same. Lab-grown diamonds are indeed manufactured in a highly advanced lab using cutting-edge technology. But how? We will let India's Commerce Minister Shri Piyush Goyal ji answer this.
Instead of being grown in the womb of the earth, they are being produced in a laboratory. These are lab-grown diamonds, as they call them, LGDs. The same concept. You take a small seed, which is put under a machine, and a lot of heat and carbon is deposited on that, due to which it keeps growing, and it creates the same effect of what is happening under the ground. You're doing it in the laboratory. So it's not a fake diamond. It's not even an artificial diamond. It's truly recreating a diamond.
So you see how one small seed becomes a real shiny diamond. All thanks to the cutting edge and advanced technology that Bharat is producing right now. In fact, LGDs lab में manufacture होने की वजह से mined diamond के comparison में कहीं ज़्यादा environmental friendly है. Because इनको create करने में 100% green energy का use होता है, जहां 1 कैरेट diamond को mine करने के लिए approximately 108 kg CO2 emit होता है. वहां cut and polished 1 carat lab-grown diamonds emits less than 10 kg CO2.
Kalala worked from sunup until sundown every day as a sifter. Then he would take any diamonds he found to the local market to sell. And although diamonds are a valuable commodity on the global market, very little of this wealth trickles down to child laborers like him, who earn an average of $1 to $2 US per day.
लैब-ग्रोन डायमंड्स को ब्लड फ्री डायमंड्स भी कहा जाता है, क्योंकि इनको मैन्युफैक्चर करने में ना कोई वायलेंस होता है, ना कोई ह्यूमन अब्यूज. And at last, but not the least, are the lab-grown diamonds as affordable as they're really made out to be? Yes, they're as affordable as they claim, because they skip the extra cost of processing and refining. तो इनका cost significantly reduce हो जाता है, which is nearly 80% less than the mined diamonds. So where does Bharat stand where the lab-grown diamonds are concerned? There is no doubt that today Bharat is leading diamond manufacturer. According to the reports of GJEPC LGD export in the financial year 2023 until February jumped to INR 12,500 crores, 45% higher compared to the INR 8,719 crores last year. Moreover, of the roughly 8,000 diamonds polishing units in India, over 20 to 25% have begun polishing lab-grown diamonds and 15% polish only lab-grown diamonds exclusively. In fact, 90% of the world's diamonds are cut and polished in Surat. Where does Kalamandir stand when it comes to lab-grown diamonds? Well, our stand and aim are as clear as the clarity of our diamonds. Just like our previous ventures, Kalamandir aspires to be the most trusted brand when it comes to the lab-grown diamonds. We want to introduce the beauty of lab-grown diamonds by offering everyone the most exquisite and customized lab-grown diamond jewelry of the highest quality. Through affordable lab-grown diamonds, हम अपने esteemed customers को experience देना चाहते हैं of owning the most uniquely stunning jewelry, where each lab grown piece is our commitment to excellence, sustainability, and innovation. Join us in our mission to make lab grown diamonds the diamond of the future. Visit our Kala Mandir store today for an unforgettable lab grown jewelry experience. Also follow करिए हमारा YouTube and Instagram channel so you don't miss out on our dazzling content. See you in the next video.